What's up, beautiful people? Another day, another study. And I was actually having a conversation with someone who is a smoker and was trying to no longer be a smoker. And they asked their doctor about this and about electronic cigarettes. And the doctor said, well, you're just choosing one poison for another, so you just need to quit. Not very helpful advice whatsoever. And especially since we do have evidence supporting utilizing electronic cigarettes as a form to help with smoking cessation. And in fact, this study just came out and looked at this. They looked at the electronic cigarettes versus Chantix, which is actually a prescription medication used to help with smoking cessation, and with nicotine replacement therapy. And what they found was that the group using the electronic cigarettes had about as much success no longer smoking at 6 months compared to the group getting the Chantix. And this is great news because it's a very hard habit to kick. And not every single tool or method is going to be the right method for an individual. And so adding more tools into the toolbox that we can try and help different people with is always good news, especially when those tools are backed by evidence, in this case, a gold standard randomized controlled trial.